Every auto finance lender asks, should we build a customer portal? Building takes time. Maintaining it takes effort. Best practices change faster than most teams can keep up. Meet AutoFinX, a smarter digital experience for auto finance. For most auto finance customers, managing their loans isn't simple. Even with a single lender, information is scattered. Payments in one place, statements somewhere else, and updates lost behind emails and calls. AutoFinX brings everything together. One login, one dashboard, one unified view of every contract. Every loan, every detail, all accessible instantly. Payments become simpler, clearer, and faster, with smart controls that customers understand at a glance. Lenders can drive renewals, upgrades, and cross-sell opportunities more effectively. Timely notifications keep customers informed, reduce support calls, and strengthen engagement. AutoFinX connects seamlessly with your existing systems. No disruption, just better visibility and a unified experience. Deliver a modern, connected customer journey your borrowers will appreciate and your teams will trust. AutoFinX, the connected auto finance experience